It's a really nice feeling to know that a person is missing you. Whether you just started seeing someone or you are dating this person for a while. On the other hand, depending on your connection and closeness, missing someone can either be pleasant and exciting or unpleasant and worrying. Knowing that someone is missing you feels so good since it tells you that this person is not only thinking about you constantly, but they also really like you. But how could you possibly make them miss you badly without exposing yourself? Well, I might have good news for you. Pay close attention until the end of this video to discover 5 ways to make someone miss you. Don't be too available. It's really hard to miss someone who is always there. It's basically impossible. The only way you can bring out this feeling from someone is if you distance yourself from them from time to time. You must give them some necessary space, whether they like it or not. Don't be hesitant to spend some time apart with others or even on your own, since it's the healthy thing to do anyways. Don't just do it to make them miss you, but take advantage of this time on your own and try to make the best out of it. Now you have the chance to engage in activities that you enjoy, but this person may not like. You can follow your own interests or spend time with friends or loved ones. You can spend some time pursuing your own ambitions and goals. This way, you are also demonstrating that you have a life outside of this person, and that makes you even more attractive. Be mysterious. When you meet someone new and want to learn everything there is to know about them, it can be simple to open up completely and tell them your life story. You probably also spend time texting and calling each other, and you may reveal a lot about yourself in a short amount of time. However, you should be a bit more careful with sharing everything all at once. The thing is, people may feel uneasy if you are too outspoken. Not only, if you tell them everything right away, you don't give them the chance to discover things about you. Therefore, you decrease the possibility of them missing you. This is not to say that you have to play games and lie to them or mislead them. It's important to stay genuine and honest always, even if you take your time to reveal things about you. In order to encourage communication, you should always tell some information about you to spark their interest without exposing too much about yourself. Also, when it comes to texting, you don't want to give off the impression that you are just sitting there not doing anything except waiting for their response. It is also fine to make them wait a bit and not answering their texts or calls right away. That can make them think about you, and they will start wondering what are you up to at that moment. Use or don't use social media. It can be really hard not to use social media to express interest in someone you like. You might believe that if they witness you having fun away from them, they would miss you even more. Some people even start posting stories with someone from the opposite gender just to make the other person jealous. They might be, and it might work, but you have to be careful with that, since not every person is the same, therefore it can easily backfire. They might believe that you are interested in someone else, and that can make them move on from you. Also, they won't have a chance to miss you or wonder what you are up to if you post everything you do on social media. I mean, there is nothing wrong with being active and sharing stories about yourself while you are hanging out with your friends, but don't go overboard. Don't make it obvious that you are trying to impress them with your posts and stories, even if it's tempting to do so. You may also completely stay away from social media, which can create some mystery, since they won't be able to know what are you up to. Be unforgettable. Making the most of your time together will encourage them to miss you and desire your company. Try to make the occasions when you two hang out special and memorable. There's not much to miss if all you do when you are together is fighting, or if you are constantly scrolling on your phone while they are trying to be with you. However, if your time spent together is full of enjoyable activities and meaningful conversations, that will automatically make them miss you while you are apart, and they will keep thinking about those special moments with you. It's important to keep things light and fun, so there would be no pressure or unpleasant moments while you two are hanging out. The powerful thing about this is that when you both try new things and create special memories, you are instantly connected through those new experiences. This way you can create a deep bond. Keep things exciting. You should try your best to make them excited about the next time they will meet you. This might sound hard, but it's actually easier than you think. Make plans so they have something to look forward to. It doesn't have to be anything crazy or extreme. The point is to give them a reason to be excited the next time they will see you. This will make them think about you and what you told them constantly, and they will inevitably start missing you. It may be something as easy as picking a restaurant or a cafe for your next date, or tickets to a cinema for a movie that you both want to see. You can even take this to the next level by building anticipation and not telling them what is your plan, to make them even more curious. You can just simply tell them where and at what time they have to show up and make them surprised. They will start missing you right away, as their excitement about seeing you keeps increasing, and they will not be able to wait to see you again. The best way to keep things exciting is to be open-minded and adventurous. This will always make the time spent together fun and memorable, and these experiences will help you two bond on a deeper level. Whenever they see something that is related to these memories, they will immediately remember and start missing you. If you enjoyed the video, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.